Looking at beautiful designed labels made me want to have a neat pantry myself. Although I'm the organized, messy kind of person, what I mean is back in office hours I used to find the paper I needed underneath piles of mess. Let me take you with me into organizing my pantry and share with you 10 tips I learned. After using my pantry for a week today, I can now break down for you 10 tips I learned from this experience. Tip number 1. Use matching jars so your shelves look all neat and tidy. 2. Transparent jars are mostly recommended. This way you can easily know you are out of a certain product or if it's time to refill your container. Tip number 3. Baskets are so essential. They help in avoiding clutter. Use plastic ones, they are easily cleaned and they offer more space for the products since they have a thin edge. 4. Instead of stocking up pricey containers, reuse your jars. Give them a second life. Look how pretty they are. 5. Label your baskets, jars, containers to easily stock and find your products. Tip number 6. Add a refill basket to your set. In this one you'll find all the stocks of the products in the jars. 7. Arrange cans by categories so you can find them easily. Group similar items together. 8. On the high shelves, arrange small jars full of specialized ingredients like nuts, spices, and dried fruits. Tip number 9. Arrange daily products such as coffee, tea, cans at your eye level. Finally, place baskets on lower shelves so you can reach the products from above. And thank you for watching.